Jason Harris puts it to the beat first right side. Trim setting starts to hit. The P2 contracting Chevrolet in the beams in the left-hand lane. Here we go. We're inches away from the same call. And this pair is just about...
Alright, so today's video is going to be a little different. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but in the back there, as you see, I have my 86 Mustang. We're going to Virginia Motorsports Park to see how it does in the 1/8 and a quarter mile when I sprayed on a 200 shot of nitrous. I haven't done it yet. I just ran it NA, so I know how it does naturally aspirated, but I don't know how it does with nitrous on it. And then now I can see how it'll do on an 1/8 mile and a quarter mile track. So I'm kind of excited to see what it's gonna do. All right, guys, we made it up here. We got the car teched in. We got the 240 over there. That right there. That got teched in over there too. We're good to go. So there is a 32 car shootout going on today that we're gonna see how that goes. And so we're gonna see how the car does on NA and nitrous, and then we're going to see how the 240 over there does, a drift car, to see how it likes to track. I'll probably go up there and watch a little bit, get some recordings of everything, but we've got everything set up, and the next one hopefully we'll have recordings of us going down there, and then also of them having a ride along. All right, everyone, so it's the next morning. We finally got a pass in, but it was one pass. But it didn't go so great. I'll show you the video of what happened. You can see the back end of it, but you don't really get to see what happened in the front. So basically, I put a new water pump on the night before, and one of the water pump hoses came off. And when it came off, I only had distilled water in it, so it put the water all through the rear end of my tires, and I crashed. It went towards the center line, corrected it, came back towards my walls in the right lane, and then it came across the line, came back over to my lane, and then after that I recorrected it, and it went right into the left lane wall. I hit the left lane wall. Luckily the guy was just a little bit slower. He had a faster car than me, but he had a bad reaction time and something happened. But thank goodness, because he was right behind me. I heard him come in, and what I was told from the spectators is his car went sideways behind me when mine was going sideways to the left. So here's the damage, and I'll go over it. so here's the damage to the car. It's not as bad as I thought. I did bend the lower K-member. It bashed in to my header up there, snapped the shock on the top there, bent the whole frame on the front here, bent a tie rod. My tubular front end got bent here, everything coming through, bent the tubular member up and in. The engine is still good. When I hit, it bent that side over. So everything's good. The hose came off right there. That's where the top of it came off. It just popped right off and shot water all the way through. If you slow down the video, when I launched at 4,000 RPMs, you can see water underneath the car in the back when it came down. But it ran great. It hooked amazingly. The car went as it should. So this is the damage of it. If you guys are ever wondering if you want to do tubular front end on your car, do it. Because I hit the wall going pretty fast, and the tubular front end took the brunt of everything. Like, all it did was push up the back, cracked my windshield down there a little bit, but other than that, everything was good. So pretty much from like here back, the car is great. I'm not going to be reusing it just because the shock tower is all bent up. I'll probably just turn this into a project car and have me and my girlfriend work on it, get new fenders and everything for it. But I'm going to be buying a notch back, and I'm going to be putting my rear end stuff in there, and put the engine, transmission, drivetrain all into the new car. But this is what it looks like from afar. I got a whole bunch more pictures and videos that I'll post up of it. But yeah, there's a tubular front end that came through right there. But yeah, it sucks that it happened, but having all the safety gear and having the roll cage and the tubular front end and the 5-point harness on the inside with the racing seat and all that really helped me out a lot with this car and really kept me safe. So I'm definitely going to be tubular front end any car that I'm going to be taking to the track, because if I had the normal front, it it would have crumpled and a lot more damage would have happened. So definitely glad. The tubular front end is from I believe it's Rock Solid Race Cars. I believe that's the name. I'll put their link in the description below of which kit I bought from them, so then you can see also. But yep, this is it. So I finally got it in here, pulled it all the way in, and just used my quad out there to pull it off the trailer and all the way down into here. Got it off in here. So this will stay until I buy. Now I want to do a notch back. So I'm going to do a notch back on it, put all my motor and trans. I just purged it, and I want to go turn the engine over, and it spins freely. There's nothing wrong with it. So that's good, but now this is where it's going to be until I get another notch back and start fixing it up and all that good stuff. So, all right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.